In this scene from All Quiet on the Western Front, we see German soldiers on the Western Front facing a fierce attack from Allied forces. The scene starts quietly but suddenly explosions the area as artillery shells hit the ground. The German soldiers, covered in mud and looking scared, prepare for what's coming. The ground shakes as an Allied tank appears, moving steadily towards the German trenches. The tank's machine guns fire rapidly, forcing the soldiers to duck in cover. Some soldiers try to fight back with grenades and rifles, but they are no match for the powerful tank. The camera shows the fear and determination on the soldiers' faces. One soldier tries to run across the battlefield but is shot before he can make it to safety. His fellow soldiers watch helplessly as the tank breaks through the trench line. The German soldiers realize they must retreat or be killed. The scene ends with the soldiers looking devastated and defeated, though they bombed one tank and fight back. This powerful scene shows power of modern weapons. Now, let's focus on the nature of trench warfare, which learned from Unit 6 lesson. An aerial view of trench warfare reveals a network with front lines for soldiers and dugouts, and rear areas for communication, artillery, and support like hospitals. Deadly obstacles like barbed wire, mines, and Bruno spirals were common. Both sides dug tunnels for infiltration, and early aircraft offered limited scouting. Soldiers endured constant stress, snipers, and dirty, crowded conditions. Exhausted from fighting and long marches, they faced deadly machine guns, rifles, and cannons. Metal helmets and barbed wire offered some protection. New weapons like tanks, blimps, airplanes, and chemical weapons increased the horror. The defense-focused war saw artillery bombardments followed by infantry charges made deadly by barbed wire. Germans tried to break through tactics with small infiltration groups. Despite brutal conditions and high casualties, the Allies won due to superior numbers and resources, with over 9 million soldiers killed.